Well, hello. I hope you guys are doing alright today. I'm recording a short video about the type of operator in JavaScript. This can be used to check what type variable or constant that you don't know its value. You can find out what is the type of that variable. So there is a few values that you can get back using this operator, and we'll go through all of them one by one. Let's see, you can get, for example, undefined. If you write, and this is how you write the operator, you write it like that, type of. This is not something very common in JavaScript, to basically write the operator and then whatever you want to test. Usually you have like methods like that and put whatever you want inside. So this is not very common. You have an operator like this, type of, and let's try if we put undefined. Now type of anything will always return a string with a value inside, so type of something always return a string. For undefined it will be undefined, and also if we have if we declare a variable but we haven't you can see here that at this moment a is undefined already. The console from Google Chrome tell us. So if we say type of a, it will say undefined. All right, let's clear this. Now we another result we can get back is number, and we can get number, for example, for numbers that look like this, for integers like 34 for example, you can see its number, and also for float numbers like this, we still get number back. Also there's this not a number in JavaScript, which basically signifies that something is not a number, but weirdly enough, type of not a number is actually a number. Okay, so we also have, we can get we have type string. So if we test a string like this, type of something, this is a string, so you will get string back, and you also get a string back when you use backticks. So with backticks you can even have values inside. This will be in another video about strings with backticks, where you can have dynamic values like this, some value. This could be a variable in here. So type of this, well, it gives us an error first because some value is not defined, but you could have here, like for example, an expression 2 plus 3, and you can see that type of this is string because it is between backticks. Also, funny thing is, if you write type of and then another type of, then you can write anything you want here, even something that's not a string or not a number, and you will get string, because type of always give you back string. So type of something that's a string, it will be a string. Okay, and then we have arrays and objects. So for example, type of the type of an array and an object is still an object. So if you have type of an array, you can see it's an object. And also if you have an object like this, name Marian and age 31, so an object, you can see again it's object. And also this is a long-standing bug in JavaScript, type of null is actually an object. Now this is like a long-standing bug in JavaScript, but it can't really be fixed because a lot of the code out there is based on this error. So if it would be changed, then a lot of applications would crash. Alright, so this is how you can use the type of operator. So if you get a value from somewhere and you don't know its type and you need to know its type, then you can use this on it and you can check if it's the type you need and do anything you want after that. I will use this in a video on Code Wars challenge, so that's why I recorded it. You can go ahead and watch that. I'll probably put a link in the description to it. Alright, bye for now.